Hi guys, I've got another update for you finally. Taken some time, but I'm getting a lot further again. The next phase is to take out this wall, this piece of wall, so the kitchen and the living room become one. And here I've got electricity set out. The internet, the hallway is almost finished. There's the pump for the pump and the distributor for the heating, floor heating. I've got the lid on the basement, and all in all there's some work to do, but we are getting there. I will do some pictures of what happened in the meanwhile getting here to this stadium. Well guys, see you on the next video, and I hope I'm a lot further than again, but I'm very happy where I've gotten now. I can enjoy it a little bit more, and hey, soon I'm going to be sitting there on my couch watching my recorders over there and my television and so on. Can't wait. Bye guys.